Hey, what's up everybody? We're gonna prune our mulberry tree. And this is just one plant. You can see how it's growing from two stalks there. So what I think we're gonna do here is, see, these are the nodes where it's gonna grow from. I think we're gonna try to make the branch about this high. So I'm gonna prune it here and hopefully it branches off going that way. So I normally hold it, but I'm holding my camera, so I'm going to cut it at an angle there, and I'm going to cut it here, right above the node. And what we're going to do with these is we're going to make cuttings from these and transplant them. And hopefully we'll get more mulberry trees. This is a different variety than the one that we had. I forget which type it is, but we'll see how it goes. So you may be wondering why we're at this plant here, which is an Aloe plant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cutting here, and this is going to be our rooting compound. And we'll show you what we do with this. So the first thing we're going to do with our Aloe here is we're going to seal up these cuts. And you just like kind of punch it in, and you can see how all the juices got on the cut. So you see it's white, it's kind of white there. And then I'm just gonna punch it in, and you see all the goo comes on it. And I'm gonna be real liberal with this, to protect that cut. And so hopefully what will happen here is the tree is gonna start growing this way. And we're gonna do the same to our cuttings. Okay, here's what we cut off, the part that we cut off. So again, we're gonna cut it right above the node, right there. And this one, probably right here. And we're gonna make 4 plants of these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strip the leaves off of these, like from here down. And we're gonna put the Aloe here and plant them. So I got 4 cuttings out of that, what we pruned off. And you can see I put the Aloe on both ends. And I'm just gonna stick it in here. I don't know about this one. I'm just gonna plant it anyway. I think it's too much green growth, but we'll see. And we're gonna water these 4 in, and we'll see how they go in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.